Prepare tools and clean workspace. Heat screen edges to solve. Remove 2 bottom screws. Use suction cup and pry tool to open. Open from right to left. Cables on left. Remove shield and disconnect battery first. Disconnect display and sensor cables. Unscrew earpiece. 2 tri-point, 2 Phillips. Heat and remove earpiece assembly. Replace with PINZHENG screen. Check if the screen is intact. Connect cables and power on to test. Drag icons to check touch sensitivity. Power off and peel off cooling film. Install earpiece to PINZHENG screen. Reinstall all cables and shield covers. Press the screen down into the frame from top to bottom. Tighten the bottom screws. Task complete.